sabi nila 30, 40, 50 pesos in 5 years, wala pong basehan yon. 6 years ago, nung nagsimula ang modernization, ang isang traditional jeep ay naniningil ng 9 pesos minimum fare. May modern jeep na po noon 6 years ago. Ang singil po noon was 11 pesos. So there was a 2 peso difference between traditional and modern. Fast forward 6 years, last year, 2023, ang traditional minimum fare was 13 pesos. Ang modern, 15 pesos, which is still at present. So yung 2 pisong difference ng traditional at modern ay hindi nagbago. But if you look at the percentage, mas bumaba pa nga from 9 to 11, 13 to 15. Ngayon, ang sinasabi nila in 5 years magiging 30, 40, 50. Anong basehan nun? Wala. Ang basehan lamang po ng fare is about fuel increase, yung crudo. And function po yan ng LTFRB, pinakikinggan po niya ang mga commuters, ang mga transport sector, umaabot pa po sa NEDA, at dumarating po ang kanilang desisyon. So yung basihan po or sinasabi po nilang 50 pesos, totally has no basis po.
Kaya po we have to coordinate with NEDA because we all know that transport costs would have that effect even in terms of inflation po. That's why we're very careful in determining fares and we have to really seek guidance din po with NEDA so that we'll have a holistic approach po because hindi ho namin kaya from LTFRB na kami lang ho yung nagde-determine.